friends! Welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In today's video, we will be making a sweet and tangy strawberry dip. This is a simple and versatile homemade strawberry dip that can be used as a classic delicious topping over any main course. Heat a pan. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Once oil is hot, add mustard seeds. Allow it to crackle. Add 2 finely chopped green chilies. Let the flavors get infused well in the hot oil. Add a handful of curry leaves. This is optional. Saute well for about 30 seconds. Add chopped strawberries. If you watch our strawberry picking video, you will know how we got our strawberries, and you will also follow us on a journey. Saute for a minute. Add salt for taste and saute for 30 seconds. Turmeric powder. Mix well. Paprika or red chili powder to spice up the sweet strawberries. Saute for 2 minutes. Wow, look how well the berries are cooked. It smells amazing. Transfer to serving dish. I love this strawberry dip. It is tangy yet sweet. I wonder how these would taste with chips. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye!